Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Good afternoon,
Yes,
everyone.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very less students are there today, no? Only 14
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
Not even 14, 13, including me, 14 participants are there. What happened?
Just now lecture was ended.
Okay, okay. Another lecture. Which lecture was it?
Yes.
Huh? Eco.
Economics.
Okay, okay. So should I wait for five
No, you
minutes
can
more?
start if you want.
नहीं, I can always start, but
So,
what is the use of teaching if students are not there? I mean, I have to repeat and revise, no?
yes, correct. Yeah.
Acha, who is Payal Dubey? Is she
Don't
present?
know, ma'am.
Payal Dubey is present in the class now.
No, ma'am. I think no. Fire, maybe. No, ma'am. She's not there.
Actually, she had sent the doc which is blank, so I am not able to find out.
Yes, you also told on that group, literature group,
Hmm.
but she haven't replied it.
Ah, yeah, and then she was asking me something. I mean, I couldn't understand why she is asking me. I mean,
Yes,
acha,
ma'am.
Angel, I just want to give you feedback. Whenever we write summary, we are not supposed to quote. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So I am just willing to tell you that because I have gone through summaries of all participants, I found your was also good, quite good in the sense being in FY you did well. But whenever you are writing summary of a paragraph or talk or anything, you are not supposed to quote exact words of the speaker or the writer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And you are not supposed to write the examples as it is, quotation examples, and you are not supposed to repeat the ideas. You have to write what you have you can write what you have understood from quotation examples, okay, but you are not supposed to quote it or give the example in summary. Okay, summary
Okay, ma'am.
quotation examples are to be avoided and repetitive ideas are also to be avoided. Okay, and it is to be in your own words, not in the words of writer or speaker. Okay, so this I wanted to tell you regarding summary writing. Is it okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
actually, I have told this thing to other students as well for each class, and you all participate in various activities of the department announced. Like so many competitions have been announced by the
Yes, and
department.
competition. Yes.
Okay, English Department Literary Association. So please do follow all those competitions. Okay, is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear to you?
Yes.
Hmm? I'm sharing with you. Let me share something with you if possible. Share. Are you able to see this? I'm sharing this whiteboard. Is it possible to see this whiteboard? What you
Yes.
are supposed to do when you are writing summary? Summary writing main ideas in brief. Okay, you have to write main ideas. It is to be written in your own words. Okay, you have to avoid quotation, examples, and repetition of ideas. But whatever you understand from quotation, example, and repetition, that you can write, because quotation, examples, and repetition are to emphasize, to stress what the writer is saying, to clarify the point, to give emphasis, okay, to put stress on that particular point. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So this I told to TY students as well, because many of them participated, no? So I thought I should share with them. Okay, so you understood now what is summary writing now?
Yes.
Okay. Now do this document. Now we are supposed to do our topic, like I have told you in brief. You can note down always. Okay, if you want to note down anything, whatever I explain, whatever I tell you, you can always note down. It's good for your future, in the sense it will help you, because in your communication skill subject you have topics like summary writing, note making. Okay, so it will help you anyway. Okay, now let us start with our syllabus and topics. Now this is our syllabus, correct? I have told you elements of novel, short story, told na, plot, setting, character, told na, narrative technique. All these things I have told you, or not? Hello,
Yes,
hello.
ma'am.
Told na. Now I am going to start with your topic. In the beginning I just started so that you can understand. Now when we are talking about novel, what happened? Anybody wants to say something? Can say. Now you can note down in your notebook whatever I am writing, because that will be, I will be no doubt sharing with you notes as well, but if you write it will be in your mind for a longer time. If you just listen, you can't keep each and everything in mind always. Okay, so it will be helpful. So we will do now the first term, novel. What is novel? The word novel means new. New. Okay. It is a literary form. Novel is a literary form, correct na? Novel is a literary form which is longer than a story. Story, correct? It is a prose narrative. It is a prose narrative which is a sequence of events arranged. It is a prose narrative. It is a sequence of events arranged in a story. Okay. Plot. It is about human experiences generally. Okay. In society, but it can be written on any subject including animals. Okay, including other creatures, including animals and science, history, myth, etc. Is it clear?
Yes.
Novels are generally about human experience in society, human behavior in society, but it can be written on any subject including animals, science, history, myths, etc. Okay, it means the word novel means new novel is a literary form which is longer than a story. Okay, I have already explained all these things to you. Now I am starting with the proper topic from your syllabus. Okay, it is a prose narrative which is a sequence of events arranged in a story or plot. It is about human experience generally in a society, but it can be written on any subject including animals, science, history and myth. It may have more than two characters. Okay, two characters and a particular setting. It may have subplots too. Okay, please note down these things so that when I give you notes to you, when I post notes in Google Classroom, you will be able to understand it better. Okay, everybody had noted down this. Hello,
Yes, ma'am. Noted.
is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, what is the meaning of myth? You are asking me, correct? Myth means any story which may be true or false. Okay, now we celebrate so many festivals: Eid, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Parsi New Year. There are stories related to those festivals. We don't know whether these stories are true or false. Whatever happened in Ramayana, whatever happened in Mahabharata, we are told, okay, but we haven't seen it, so we don't know whether it was true or false. So myth is any story which may be true or false. Is it clear to anybody who was asking me what is myth? Okay, so what is myth is clear to you, no? So can I erase it? Everybody has written it. Then don't ask me to dictate notes. Now I am writing, typing on the whiteboard so you can see it properly, na? No need to dictate, no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any need to dictate? No, no?
No, no.
I am writing clearly on the typing on the whiteboard, so there will be no spelling mistake as well. There will be no problem like we are not able to listen to you what you are dictating. So I am writing on the whiteboard. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any other point view which you feel is not clear to you? Already I have explained all these things to you in earlier lectures, correct?
Yes.
What is subplot? In a bigger story, there are many smaller stories, correct? Which are known
Yes.
as subplot. Like if you see Ramayana, Ramayana is a bigger story of Ram's life, correct? And people associated with Ram. But there are stories related to Ahilya, there are stories related to Nishad, okay? If you take Bible, there is a main story, and in that main story there are very smaller stories. If you take Mahabharata, Mahabharata is mainly about Kauravas and Pandavas, but then there are so many stories, small stories related to Krishna's life, Kansa's life, okay? So that is known as subplot. Is it clear?
Yes.
So I am setting means where the novel is located, whether it is located in India, in Mumbai, at daytime, night time, okay? So setting is that. I am erasing it now, okay? So when we talk about novels, novels can be of many types. Okay, such as historical novel, psychological novel, okay, epistolary novel, so there are varieties of novels,
Ma'am, there
okay.
is also personified novel.
What
Personified novel.
what it means? Personified novel
Like
means what?
giving human characters.
Giving
Human character.
human character. See, most of the novels are about human experience only, so human character will be there, no?
Yes.
Okay, personified novel is no type of novel. Personification is one literary device which is used in novel writing as well.
We
Okay,
give a natural object as a human character.
yeah, where you
Yes.
can use even inanimate object can give
Yeah.
them human qualities.
Human qualities.
Okay, so
Yes.
you can make even non-living object as human being.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
giving the human quality. So that is literary device. Yes, I am going to explain what is epistolary. Then Gothic novel. I am talking about type of novel. Okay, Gothic novel, science fiction,
Biography.
biography is not novel. Okay, biography is the
Novel.
story of somebody's life.
Yes.
Okay, science fiction, etc. Okay, I am not giving all types, there are many. Okay, now historical novel is about history, based on history. Suppose India's partition, Hindustan has been partitioned into India and Pakistan in 1947 when India became independent, correct? So it is historical incident. If you find any novel written on history of partition of India, that becomes historical novel, or on situations like the World War I, II, correct? So that is part of history, so it becomes historical novel. Is it clear? Psychological novel means which talk about psychology, more and more. See, in each novel you can find little of history, little of psychology, little of Gothic, little of science. That's correct. So each novel can't be called historical novel. Which is mainly based on historical incident will be called historical novel. The novel which is based mainly on psychology, in each novel you will find some of psychology, but which is mainly about psychological novel means which is about psychological disorders, mental disease. So that will be known as psychological novel. Clear?
I mean, epistolary means letter exchange novel, no?
Yeah, epistolary novels were written in the beginning when books were not published.
Yes.
Okay, so that time writers used to write chapters in the form of letter. Okay, so they were known as epistolary novel. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, who was asking me epistolary na? So epistolary novels means novels written in the form of letter. Okay, Gothic novels are about novels which talk about supernatural aspect of life, terror, horror. So those novels are known as Gothic novels. Okay, science fiction is about where scientific discoveries are used to create stories. Like see, like this COVID-19 pandemic. Any writer can write a novel on COVID-19 pandemic. See, since December 2019 this disease started, correct?
Yes.
So anybody can use this as a plot for, okay, create a story out of this disease, how the lockdown happened, how people are finding it difficult to find a vaccine, how the competition is there for people are opposing lockdown in not only in India, in various countries of the world, how people are falling ill, how people are dying because of this disease, whether it was possible to follow social distancing, to use mask and hand washing regularly and all. So taking this instance, taking the raw material from the society, what happened since December 2019 to till when we will get vaccine, or till when this disease will continue or pandemic will continue. On the basis of that, one writer can create a novel. Okay, so that will become part of science fiction. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are about types of novels. Then,
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, what is contemporary novel?
contemporary.
Yes.
Contemporary means now we are in which century?
21st.
21st century, correct? So contemporary novel means whatever is written in 21st century will be contemporary novel.
It will be any novel, historical or psychological.
Yeah. Contemporary means the time when you are living.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody else has to ask anything? You can ask freely. Don't feel bad what madam will think if my question is wrong. I will not think anything. Rather, I will like it if you ask me some question. The novel can be narrated from first person, second person, or third person point of view. Clear? What is first person? First person is I, my, me, we, our, us, correct? So the novel can begin, the writer can use the word I, okay, for himself or for the narrator, or can use the plural for many, okay, we, that is first person. Is it clear? I or we. Or the writer can use second person you, okay, or third person he, she, it or they. Is it clear? So the novel can be narrated from first person, second person or third person point of view. Generally, it is first or third person, okay, or third person narrative. Generally, it is first or third person as narrator. Understood? The writer himself or herself can be a narrator. Or anybody else can also be a narrator.
Yeah, it's going on.
Please switch off your audio. The lecture is being recorded. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The writer can use traditional or modern narrative technique. Narrative technique to tell the story of novel. Clear? It can be shorter or longer. Should I erase the upper part?
Yes, ma'am.
Novels of many types, okay? It can be
Ma'am,
short.
can you please tell me what is traditional method and what is
Yeah.
modern?
I am going to tell. Let me complete this sentence. No,
Okay,
it
ma'am.
can be shorter or longer. Ranging from 100 pages to 500, 700 pages even. Okay, so when we talk about technique, narrative technique, the writer can use traditional technique or modern technique. Remaining part has been written by the students. Can I erase the
Yes.
And the traditional technique is like if I am talking about any character, suppose character X. Okay, let me take example of X. I am talking about X life. Okay, X is one character about whose life. So I will start from his childhood, then I will go to that person's middle age, then adult means adolescence, adult age, then middle means adult age and then old age. That is traditional style of writing, traditional technique of narration. I go in a straight line. Is it clear? In many films, you may see that the film starts with the childhood of one particular character and then it talks about the adolescent age, then it talks about the middle age, adult age, and then it talks about the old age, something like that. So it is traditional, straight line. Is it clear? Hello? Whoever was asking me traditional method.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Modern style is that we don't follow that chronological order. Suppose, for example, I am writing about youngsters Y generation. Generation Y you understand, or generation Z, suppose. Generation Z. You are belong to generation Z, correct? I am writing about generation Z, youngsters of this 21st century, suppose. So I write about somebody who was born in, suppose, 2015, suppose. Okay, that fellow. So I will be talking about the person's childhood since 2015. Now that person, how the person is behaving, and then how that person will behave when he will become adolescent, and when teenager, adolescent, and then adult age, and then old age. So that is chronological way,
Opposite to
sequence.
traditional method.
In a sequence we talk about from birth to death.
Yes.
So that is known as traditional method,
Yes.
traditional narrative technique. Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Modern style doesn't follow that chronology. Okay. Modern style can see, sometimes it happens that the film starts in the middle of the things, that the writer is shown as a youngster, and then it talks about the childhood.
Yes. Got it. Got it.
Okay, so that is modern style of writing. Earlier, when in the beginning novels were written by the writers, most of the writers were using that chronological way of writing. Okay, traditional means chronological. You may not understand chronological, so I use the simple word traditional.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay,
Yes.
and modern means which is not traditional or not chronological. Understood? Not traditional or chronological. Understood? Is it clear to you?
Yes, I'm clear.
So traditional writers, modern writers don't follow. Means in 20th century the novels written, okay, they are mostly non-traditional, non-chronological. Okay, 20th and 21st century novels, most of the novels are non-traditional, non-chronological. Okay, they don't follow that sequence. Okay, they may start in the old age of the person and then go to the childhood and then go to the middle age or adolescence. Is it clear
Yes.
to every one of you? Now you tell me whatever I have given on the white screen, if you have noted down properly as it is, how much is your answer? 1 page or less than 1 page or more than 1 page?
Ma'am, more than 1 page.
1.5 page it is?
Yes, almost.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because you are going to get in your exam questions, means paper pattern I can see once, because accordingly you will write. No, otherwise it will be longer and then you will tell me, madam, that in your exam you will get 4 questions under short notes. Hello, what happened? Shh. I have muted all of you. Why you are talking? Please switch off your audio. So, in your exam, you are going to get only 4 short notes from your unit 1. So, 5 marks, sorry, not even 15 marks questions. Okay. So, 15 marks, maybe 3 or 4 short notes. 3 out of 6 you have to do. Okay. So, you will be doing 3 short notes out for 15 marks, means 5 marks each. So for 5 marks, how much you want to write? 1 page, 1.5 page is enough of your answer book. You know na answer book of your exam. Hello, I am
Yes, ma'am.
asking you all. So how much you are going to write? फुल स्केप पेपर समझता है ना, A4 साइज का पेपर या फुल स्केप पेपर, उसका 1 पेज या 1 से ज्यादा पेज कितना?
1 page or
1.5 page. Maximum 1.5 page you will write for 5 marks, correct?
yes.
So that much I have given you, or you want more? I mean to say for novel.
No, ma'am, it's enough.
The term novel. Enough.
Ma'am, it's already more than 1 page, like.
So I am just asking you whether you want more or it's enough.
No, ma'am, it's enough.
Enough? Okay.
Yeah.
So that much is enough for novel writing. So I can go to the next concept, na?
Yes.
That is what I want to know. Correct? Is it clear? So next is story. Correct? What is short story or story? According to your syllabus, the next topic is, see, short story, na? Short. Arre bhai, what you people are doing? Please switch off your audio. It is disturbing the lecture. You have to follow certain rules and regulation in virtual classroom as well. Participants, all of you have switched off your audio, na? Yes. Please don't unmute yourself, okay? Because it creates disturbance now. So now, what I want to say is that next topic is story or short story. What do you want me to do? Short story, na? Short story.
Yes.
Next topic is short story. Okay. So what is short story? Okay, you can note down some novelist name in this. Okay. Some of the famous novelists. Are, I am giving you writers of 20th and 21st century only. चलेगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Virginia Woolf, okay, then R.K. Narayan, or I can say, I can give other names, no issues.
Ma'am, in exam you also have to write novelist name.
Yeah, if you write, it's better, no, always, that you know so much. Na, it should, see, whatever you are writing to tell the examiner that you know so much about this particular concept, correct?
Yes.
Toni Morrison, okay, Chinua Achebe.
Anthony Robbins.
You can write as many as you want to know, but I am just giving you how to write the answer. My purpose is to tell you how to write the answer in exam, correct?
Yes.
You can even write well-known novels, okay? Which novels are well-known?
The White Tiger.
Yes.
5 AM Club.
You can write from any literature, not only Indian literature, okay? In English,
Mrs. Dolly.
Mrs.
Who is
Dolway by
Ferrari?
Virginia Woolf.
Yes. You can even write by other writers. If you write Ulysses, okay, then the sea and the, what was that? Pearl. There is a one novel, Pearl, by an American writer. Okay, so you can give different, okay, etc. Is it clear? So
Yes.
it will make your answer interesting and for understood. Now we come to next point, that is short story. Enough now for the novel?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Next is short story. Anybody has any confusion regarding novel can ask me. And I am going to the next point.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now you just said that a novel can be shorter or longer, ranging from 100 to 500 or 700 pages, but there are some novels which are like more than 1500 pages, so we can
Yeah.
call them as novel or
I just gave you idea that the minimum length can be like this. This is not that it is fixed.
okay.
It depends on the writer, na, how much the writer want to write. There is no compulsion. One can write even in 90 pages. I just give you idea majority of the novels. When I am talking about novels, I am talking about majority of novels. Is it clear?
Yes. No, I thought there is another term used for it.
No. What I am saying, when I am talking about novel or short story, I am talking in general about novel or short story. You got my point? So there may be a novel which can be of 99 pages even.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and there can be a novel which can be even 1500 pages.
Ma'am, if a writer want to start want to write one novel, so
Huh?
what it need what it need to write?
What it
Like,
needs to write?
yes. Just like
you want to write a novel? Who is asking me? I'm so happy that
ma'am,
somebody has asked me this question in last 9. I mean, I'm teaching in this very college since
yes.
2003. Not a single student asked me this question. I'm so
Ma'am,
happy.
I
I
am
just want to
thinking
know the name of that fellow who has asked me. Please tell me
Shweta
the name. Huh?
Shweta
Shweta
Pal.
Pal. I'm so
Yes.
happy that
Thank you,
somebody
ma'am.
is asking me this question. Very good, Shweta. Shweta Pal. So
Yes.
nice of you. See, I write poetry. Okay?
Yes, I am also, ma'am, poetry. Like I
Very
have
good.
like many.
I have written poetry in Hindi and English. I write research papers. Okay? I haven't
Oh
tried
wow.
story writing and
Yes.
novel writing. Okay?
Yes.
But in general, because I have read so many novels, I have done research on novelist as well. Currently also I've got grant from college as well as university for
Oh,
my
great.
research work.
Great.
Okay? And I'm just sharing with you because you like to know. And
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have
Yes.
got one, recently I won prize in international competition as well, first prize
Wow.
in
Great, ma'am.
book review competition. So
Book review.
my purpose is not to tell you what I am doing, but to tell you that at this age, if I can do something, you can also do. So
Yes,
please
ma'am.
participate in various activities of the college to develop your personality.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I want to say this, and please do something creative if you, or whatever field you like. It's not that everybody should write a novel or story. In whatever field you are interested, if you are interested in music, do that. Do something different. I mean, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are interested in sports, do that. There is nothing like that. Everybody has talent. God has given some talent to everyone.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So please try to explore yourself through that talent. Okay. So I haven't tried a hand on novel writing, though 1-2 of my colleagues have told me please write story and novel, but I haven't tried still. Okay, you write
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Hindi, English and Urdu. Very good. I write in Hindi and English. Urdu I understand. Sanskrit I understand. Marathi I can understand, read, but I can't write, and I don't speak. मतलब
So, ma'am, what we need to what we need
I am telling
to
you.
start?
See,
Yes,
for any writing, first of all, you should have some type of creativity, imagination, emotion. You should be more sensitive than others.
imagination,
Creativity, emotions,
creativity,
emotions.
emotions.
Okay. And then you should be more sensitive than others.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
sense, see, all of us experience same. Now, pandemic, everybody is experiencing. Can
Yes.
everybody write a poem on pandemic?
No, ma'am. No.
Correct.
Like,
So those
okay.
who are more sensitive, they only feel and think and have emotions and feelings related to that. And when
Correct.
your
Correct.
mind is filled with those emotions and feelings, now you feel a desire to
Right.
express yourself. So you either express through words, using pen and paper, or through painting,
Yes.
whatever creative work you do. Okay.
Yes.
So I will share with you
Yes.
something. Okay, I've written on pandemic even. I've written so many poems during this lockdown
Oh, nice.
because when we were busy earlier, means when we have regular work,
Yes.
so we don't get that much time to note down. Even if I have ideas, every time I don't get time to note down on paper. Sometimes when I travel, I have so many new ideas, but I can't. Even if I have pen and paper, if I am standing, I can't note down.
No, ma'am. No. Yes.
And
Correct.
then what happens when you are not noting down immediately? Many ideas
Fall
are
down.
gone from
Yes.
your
Correct.
mind.
Same, ma'am.
Correct?
Right. Correct. Correct.
So I haven't tried story or novel writing, but I've written articles, small articles
Oh,
like
yes.
I got my poems published in Student Life as well.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so I will share with you my poem. Okay, what I've
Okay,
written
ma'am.
on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so no student has any objection, no?
No, ma'am.
That I am sharing what I am not appreciating myself, but I just try to share with you so that you can also get something from that.
Something. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you will not mind it. I mean,
No,
any
ma'am.
student will not mind my sharing things with you.
It's helpful, ma'am.
नहीं, somebody may think ना कि मैडम अपने बारे में बता रही. So that
Yeah, some-
So I have to consider each student's opinion. See, it is democracy. It's not
Yes.
bureaucracy. Correct? I believe in democracy, not bureaucracy. Okay. So I've written many poems. I participated in. I mean, I just like to explore knowledge from whichever corner I can get.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've participated in various webinars, various seminars, FDPs, teacher training programs
Yes.
during this lockdown. Okay, and I participated in many competitions as well.
Nice, ma'am. Nice.
So that I can know what I am and what I can do for
Yes,
society.
ma'am.
Correct?
Correct.
So I will share with you. Let me
Yes, sure,
see
ma'am.
where I have gone. 1 minute. Self-complete poetry. Okay. This is my English poem. I will share with you. Can you see the screen? English poetry. Okay. Don't note down
Yes.
my poems.
Okay, sure.
I'm just sharing because you felt like happy returning. This I wrote when my English teacher met with an accident. Happy returning. Okay. Then I've written when I didn't get letter from one of my relative.
Oh,
That time there were no mobiles, phones. Okay. So we used to talk through letters only, na chitti. लिख के.
Oh, wow.
So I've written that time when I was not getting.
1924.
This
Oh,
is when I was student, no.
Yes. Okay.
I've written
okay.
1-2 poems before that also, but I didn't keep it, preserve it, so it's gone. किधर रद्दी वद्दी में चला गई होगी भाई. 94 से पहले भी मैंने लिखा था, but मैंने संभाल के नहीं रखा उसको. This I've written in 2003. 2013 I've written when this Nirbhaya Kand happened in Delhi in 2012. Okay. Then I've written so many poems. In English, I tried.
Related to your life, like something.
No, I've written on various topics.
Okay.
I've written on willpower in 2013. then technology and art and love. Initially, I used to write in Hindi in the
Okay.
beginning. Terror,
Correct.
COVID-19. See, this I have written in 2020.
No, ma'am, wait,
COVID-19.
I want to read this.
Oh, okay, I will recite it for you. COVID-19 has gone to an extreme. There is no medicine, no vaccine. It behaves like a riddle. Doctor, nurse, patient, scientists find it difficult to get rid of it. Human being is in the cage as the virus is in the rage. It seems earth, nature and God are furious. Human beings are curious. Why is COVID-19 dangerous?
Dangerous.
Why is the country locked down? Why is the human being helpless? Why is the most intelligent creature crying when COVID-19 is just playing and other creatures are enjoying? COVID-19 is deadening. It is infectious, contagious. Normal life is no more harmonious. Domestic violence, frustration, depression, abuse, suicide, lynching, attack on doctors, nurse, patients, yoga, medicine, discipline are also increasing.
Increasing. Wow, ma'am.
COVID-19 is frightening. No handshaking, no kissing, no embracing. Follow physical distancing, masking face, hand washing. COVID-19 is preaching and teaching. Home is the best place recently to stay safely, to live life with family happily. If you got an infection, you would have to live in isolation. Taught us many lessons, community service and self-reliance. COVID-19 resulted in lockdown, curfews, loss of job, business, unemployment. People are dying of hunger. There is so much fear, but if no place for precaution, even after so much preparation, citizens are full of frustration, students are in depression, patients are in panic due to COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone is caged in home. There is no place to roam. Shrines, parks, cinema, swimming pool, gym, parlors could not go for last rites of their dear ones. Cried alone. Some distributed foods, water, milk, performed last rites for strangers. Laborers walked on foot, tired, hungry. Ran over by trains, buses, trucks. Government made arrangements, hospital camps and ambulances, doctors, nurses, police, essential providers fought bravely the COVID-19. Some lost lives, some quarantined, came back to life. Okay, so this
Nice,
was
ma'am.
my
Okay.
poem. Okay,
It is really nice.
nice. Okay,
Yes.
I have written on many topics as well. I will show you next time. By now, it's time to wind up the
Yes.
lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us wind up
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
lecture.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for asking me such type of questions.
Yeah,
No
ma'am.
student asked me this question in my 17 years, almost 17 years of service in this very college. Huh?
Okay, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Okay, so good. So please do participate in various
Yes, ma'am.
activities of the association. You must have got notice for essay writing,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
poetry writing,
I have submitted my essay.
and then for writing story, and then lit on a palette. Please contribute to each.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let me wind up. It's time to. You must be having other lectures,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Correct. Okay. So I'm
Okay,
ending
thank you.
meeting for
Yes.
all. Okay.